Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my channel and my life. Today I have the June pink sugar box. Stay tuned to see what I got. Okay guys, so pink sugar is $15 a month, and you get things that are all kind of like a theme, more of a theme type box. I did get this love necklace in there. You usually get one item of jewelry. This right here is going to tell me what everything is in the box, but it does not give retail values. So know that this is more of a budget-friendly box for $15. And let's see what we got in the box today. So item number one is this here. It feels like it might be those little sponges for makeup. So let me go ahead, get my glasses on. Also, let you guys know I am legally blind, so you may see me read really close or look over at my iPad or my machine to do the reading part for me or to enlarge it so that I can see. I see nothing out of my left eye. I see a very little out of my right eye, but I use the vision I have to try and enhance with a pair of 5 times magnification glasses. That's what I'm using, 5 or 6. So let me look at this and see what it says. Okay, these may look like they are sponges for your face. They're like a beauty sponge, like blending. So it'll be great to try these. I might actually put these in the giveaway since I already do have a lot of sponges. So the next item looks like this. Let's open up and take a look. You know, I never did show you the inside of the box. Well, mine is 2 pieces. That was what the inside of the box looked like. I guess I was just too excited to see what was in the box. Yeah. Okay, these are cute little earrings. Look at these. Of course, they are pink like everything we get in this box. That's why I like it so much. Pink is my favorite color. They are super cute though. So there is the earrings. I will try to wear those in one of my next videos. So the number 3 item. So this is a pair of tweezers, which of course we always need one. Looks like it has a little carrying case. Let me kind of check it out. Okay, so you pull, it looks like this, and it had this little lid in it. So I just kind of pulled the lid out. Both sides actually have one of those. Oh, here we go. And it is a cute little pair of tweezers. See that? There's the color. And it has like a grip in the middle. Oh, guys, look. Can you see the light? So there's actually a little flashlight built into these tweezers so that you can see what you're doing. That's awesome. So flashlight, tweezers, and you just hit the little button. Love. Okay, that's a really cool present, or that's a really cool item. Here's item number 4. Let's go ahead and take it out of this plastic. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let's see what it is. Pretty little, It's like a rose gold, guys. Rose gold. And it's for your lips. I don't think, unless it's a highlighter. I think it's a highlighter. So this is actually a lip balm. It is a really pretty little case. It's like a little metal case. You open it up, and this is what it looks like inside. Feels good. So you know, in summertime, we all go through a lot of lip products because it is so drying on your lips. So you're always wanting to put some balm on or sunscreen or something. So this is a little cute one to put in your purse. And the last item that I have is a facial mask. Sweet. It's really cute. I don't know. It might just be, it looks like an eye mask actually instead of just a facial mask, but I could be wrong. So in this box, guys, for $15, we got the little sponge blenders, which there are 2 in there. Looks like there's 2. So that's to blend in your makeup. Let's see. We got the tweezers with the flashlight, which is probably my favorite thing in here. Well, I don't know. I like these earrings too. So there are the pink heart earrings. Super cute. This is the lip balm in the rose gold case. And the mask. Like I said, it looks kind of like it might be an eye mask. When you hold it up, it just kind of looks like it's circular. So we'll try that out. I'll probably try that before tomorrow and let you know what I think of it. So that's it, guys. That was $15. I don't think that's a bad price for the items that I received. Every month, they kind of have one item in there that I truly just love. And I really like the jewelry. Like I said, I'm wearing the love necklace that came out of my box a couple months ago. And I don't need expensive jewelry. I just like to wear more like, what would you say, costume jewelry, or jewelry that it's still pretty, but it's not real. That's kind of my preference and the way I go. Sometimes I like to just wear big earrings, and like these right here. These are my little navy ones. I love them. Little tassels. But the pink earrings, I'm definitely going to wear. The lip balm, I love the feel of it. I'm going to use that. Tweezers, definitely going to use those also. So those would be like the top 3. I'll use the mask too. I'm going to try that one probably tonight before I go to bed. So everything in this box is usable and something that I think was either cute or I liked. So like I said, Pink Sugar, I'll link it below, $15 a month, 5 full-size products. And everything has been revolving around the color pink, which is my favorite. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please look at my playlist and check out the other videos and different brands of items that I do. I do travel videos. I do vlogging videos where you can just see me in my normal life. I'm legally blind, so I show you how I live life differently than you do. I do unboxings and reviews and a little bit of everything. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe below. Hit the bell button so that you know when I put out new videos, which I have been trying to put out 4 videos per week. And then hit the like button so my videos go out to other people also. Okay, guys, thank you so much as usual, and have a great day. Love ya.